network security, CCNA real world labs, remote support part 2. In this session we are going to, we will go to Radmin and VNC, we'll download the trial version. I will connect to a test PC and we'll see if we manage to make it up and running. Let's start with, first of all, here is my test PC. It is a Windows 7 PC, 32-bit operating system. Let's start with Radmin. Let's go. Oh, by the way, this is the website that let me resize that guy. On Wiki, and you have a really long list of remote desktop software. Yeah, a really long list. Right, let's move to Radmin. It's radmin.com. We want to download a 30-day trial version. Let's do it then. Yeah, let's save it. Let's download VNC. Yeah, let's download that guy. Such a pain. Yeah, go away. Okay. I will copy that to the PC now. It's almost done. It will take a few more seconds. Let's open it. That was, I think I had one shared folder, which is GNS3, and I put both files in here. Okay, let's move them over here. Oops. Didn't want to move that one. Not sure what that is, but let's leave it. Okay, let's start with Radmin. Inside we should see two files. It's Radmin server and viewer. We need the server because we want to manage that PC. Actually, that is a VMware PC. I will take a snapshot just in case it blows up or something. Give me a moment. We're ready. Click run. Next. Come on. Here we go. That's a VMware PC. It should take a few moments. We'll start with Radmin, then we'll put VNC. You can have more than one application. Of course, it makes no sense. First of all, you have to pay for a license, and second of all, it's just, one application is enough. Of course, if you want to test it, it makes sense to run both. Now with Radmin, you have two main options you can go for. First of all, you can use the local Radmin security permissions, or you can use Windows NT security, right? Let's use local. Let's add user password, of course, Cisco. And just hate when they do that. Forgot about that. Okay, I will put my password then. and I will give it full access. That's it. Of course, you can go through options and customize everything. I encourage you to look at these features, and maybe you will find something that you've been looking for a while and say, oh yeah, that's what I need. Please note, you can change the port number, you can change here icons and messages, you know, a lot of things. We're done. Now we don't want to do that. Let's see if Radmin is up and running, or it really needs to. Yeah, we'll have to reboot it. Well, okay. Let's put VNC as well. Why not? Of course, you should never do that. You should reboot your PC and then put the second application. But well, real world labs, right? What did I download the VNC viewer? Yeah, you didn't say anything. VNC. Here we go. Will it ask for the same? No, it will not. Good. Okay, let me copy that again. Okay, we've got VNC now. Yeah. You can leave it. It's not going to cause any problems. Yeah, why not? And again, we will have to set it up. We'll create a local password as well for VNC. Yeah, that's fine. Go away. And yeah, let's reboot it and see how it goes. That is RDP. I can show you a trick. You can do that from the CLI, but make sure that you do F. F means force. If there is a background application, it will not allow you to shut it down and it can just crash or something. Make sure you R is reboot and T is time, right? In 10 seconds. Our RDP session will be closed and I will come back to you when it's up again. I think it's still booting up. I want to show you one thing. Now when I try and connect, it's not going to work because you know, this PC is still booting up. With applications like VNC, Radmin, TeamViewer and so on, they run as a service. And in many cases it is available much faster than RDP. Yeah? And that's another advantage of these applications. Windows will not allow you to RDP until it's ready. On the other hand, some services might be up and running and it will allow you to VNC to a PC that is actually booting up. What I mean booting up is, well, I remember on a server it will just apply GPO policies, things like that, and you can actually see that on the screen. For instance, I used that trick for my SBS server. I remember one day it was really slow to boot up and I had VNC on it. I used VNC and I could say, oh, I am applying some GPO, leave me alone. I said, okay, fair enough. RDP was not available. That's another advantage of that. Okay. I think it's up again. Let's see how it goes. Well, I expected more than that. There is no Radmin, no VNC. For VNC, the reason might be there is no license. Let's check that. Real VNC. Why is it okay? Did I? Where is VNC server? Here we go. No, it's a viewer, isn't it? Did I put the wrong application again? I'm pretty sure it was a server, wasn't? Crap. Okay, let's do Radmin then. Service is already started. Okay. So where is my icon then? It's not here. Okay. Settings. Startup mode, yeah. Options. Show, right? Always show. Okay. Wow. Right. Not sure why. Oh, we have the Radmin icon. Right, it was not available from the RDP session, I think. Yeah. Okay, we fixed both. Oh, we have VNC as well. Okay. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Maybe it was just me being stupid. I have to try the local one. Sorry, guys. It's just me. I don't like to leave things. Will I break when I do that? Probably I will. Okay. User. Passwords. Okay. Let's apply it. VNC. Connect. Right. Okay. Well, to be honest, I have not set it up using RDP, have I? Maybe. Well, you always learn something new. We can see Radmin is up and running as well. Let's test it. We can leave VNC and we can compare which one is fast, right? For Radmin, there is a Radmin viewer that you can download. Should be here. Viewer. You put it on your local PC. There is a portable version as well. I don't mind, I can put that on that PC. I think it's ready. Radmin viewer. Oh, I had it in place. Oh, okay. 192.168.5.17. As you can see, you have more options than in VNC. Let's connect. Oh, that's the wrong IP address. It's not 6. It is 5. Right, now it's better. What did it was admin. Right. Okay, I'm connected. Now I'll do something that they do on Radmin. And what they do, they just put 2 screens like that. Let me see if I can do that. And what they do, they just click and show that Radmin is faster than VNC. Well, maybe. Let's go to properties. Let's try and what can I do? Can I browse the internet from it? I'm not sure. Just 5,000 questions. No, go away. Let's go to YouTube. And if I have Flash installed, we can play something and see which one. Well, was it me or was Radmin faster when you scroll? Yeah, I think so. What do you want? Cisco ASA, right? Okay, let's play that one. Here it is similar, but when you scroll, this one is Radmin is better. Right. I think what they did on their website, they used a screensaver. Change screensaver. And they played with things that are over here to prove that Radmin. What do you mean? That's VMware. Leave me alone. Photons, not photons. Well, I think Radmin is faster to refresh. Of course, all settings are default, and the quality, I think Radmin, the screen is even bigger when you compare. No, it's the same. It's just the toolbar that is over here. Yeah, so it seems it's the same in size. Well, now I can tell you I didn't want to break it because that test PC is used by my fiancée. She studies databases, so don't tell her that I played with her PC. Yeah, when you close, it is a little faster. Okay, never mind. That's okay. We can see both applications are up and running, and we can see that we can connect to them using a viewer, right? Okay. That was interesting. In this video we talked about VNC and Radmin. I showed you how to start, and we learned that you will not see an icon for RDP VNC when you're connected with the remote desktop protocol. Yeah, that's something that we have to bear in mind. And well, it's always good to learn something new, right? Thank you very much.